Lean back progressions. Progressions for this exercise go as follows. Have your butt on the edge of a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Inhale, sitting up tall, using your corrective inhale, and exhale. Corrective exhale as you lean back, keeping your spine tall, pelvic floor and TAs are activated. Second progression is to sit on the floor with feet flat on the ground. Sit up tall, use your corrective inhale, exhale, use your corrective exhale as you lean back, keeping your spine tall, pelvic floor, and TAs activated. Progression 3, seated on the floor, feet flat on the ground, hands reaching forward. Inhale, sit up tall using your corrective inhale. Exhale, use corrective exhale as you lean back, keeping the spine tall, pelvic floor, and TAs activated. Progression 4, be seated on the floor, feet flat on the ground, but your hands are reaching forward and one leg is lifted. Take a nice corrective inhale. Exhale, lean back, keeping the spine tall, pelvic floor, and TAs activated. Progression 5 is seated on the floor, feet flat on the ground, hands reaching forward, and both legs are lifted. Inhale, use your corrective exhale as you lean back, keeping the spine tall, pelvic floor, and TAs activated. Again, start with the most basic progression and only move to the next one when you have no doming and your TAs are active and you're able to maintain a tall spine.